Okay, we're looking at the BA-660. What you're looking at here is we have two units that are ganged together in stereo. The top one is hooked up to be running as line input. The bottom one is hooked up to be used as a mic preamplifier. The BA-660 is a mic pre followed by a compressor limiter. The reason for the BA-660 was to have a mic preamp that could handle any signal, anything from a Sheps or an RCA low output ribbon up to the hottest of the Brüel & Kjærs and the Gefels. It was originally designed to have no sound. I've not been one to design things as sound effects machines. Mic pre and a compressor limiter are, for my intents and purposes, tools to be used to capture sound and faithfully convey what is occurring in nature. That being said, the way this was done, the mic pre was designed using tubes. The reason mic pre was done using tubes is because the dynamic range of sounds occurring in nature far exceeds your standard semiconductor dynamic range. You don't see it in most specifications or oscilloscope renderings where your input signal is driving your mic pre to perdition. But what ends up happening is, if you've ever noticed, you take a microphone and plug it into a higher end mic pre and you dial in a fixed amount of gain, and you compare that with the signal that you get out of your console for the same amount of gain, and you'll see that the higher end mic pre is louder, has more output. Well, and if you're looking at the same amount of gain, the only thing that could possibly be happening is either the microphone is folding up under the load that the console presents, or the console is folding up under the signal that's presented by the microphone. All of that being said, the microphone can have an output signal that ranges from whispers to yells, and the difference there isn't captured by most mic pre's. So what I did is I created the mic pre based upon a tube so that I could use the tube as a low noise gain device that would not collapse under extreme signal conditions. So that being said, after building the mic pre, we followed it with a compressor limiter because there was nothing we could plug the mic pre into that wouldn't collapse under the output. So we added a compressor limiter to it, and the BA-660 was born.